Before we start this video, remember to click subscribe and the bell notification. Set it to all and it'll notify you every time I upload a video. Cheers guys. Yo, what's happening guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video we're going to be trying to fit this gear knob. So we currently have this one fitted. It's a bit on the short side, and when you're trying to grip it, it's just a bit, it doesn't feel comfortable. This one's, as you can see, it's got a bit more girth to it and a bit more size. Size does matter guys, size does matter. So we're going to be getting that on. The inside is slightly smaller. If I just take this off. So if we just look at that compared to that, so I was hoping that we're just going to be able to take this gear knob off and literally just screw it on, but the size ain't going to happen. So I'm going to have to try get this off. I can't remember if we glued this on. It's like a plastic overlay that goes onto it, so I'm going to have to get that off. We've got these, but I don't know if they're going to be too narrow to go over the actual metal stalk on the actual gear stick selector. So it might be a case of taking this off and then making my own thread on the top, but we'll see. I need to get this off anyway. I need to go get my mold grips, pull this off, and then we'll see what the solution's gonna be. So I've got my grippers, try to grab it if I can. Yeah, so that cap is off. This is the biggest old one that we've got, and it's just not gonna work. That ain't wanting to go over. It's about the same size with the thread overhang as well. So the only other solution, because I definitely want this gear knob on, the only other solution that I've got that I can think of is getting the tap and die set. Working out what thread pitch this is, which I'll do with tap and die set. I'll run it through them and hope that we've actually got one in this size, and then try tap and die it down onto here and then do it that way. So I'll go grab the tap and die set and see if we've got some of the same pitch thread as this. If not, I ain't got a clue. Right, so we've worked out that this thread pattern in here is an M12 1.5. So I've just had this through it, that's gone in. Just had this on here, it started slightly cutting a fresher thing, which will be like the nickelized coating that's over the top of it that it's getting rid of. So I got this and I've just threaded it through there and it went in fine. So I'm just gonna, the only solution that I can come up with is getting this and literally taking it down the actual gear stick. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to run this down gear stick, and then that should just literally then screw straight on. So yeah, let's try it. Right, so I've just literally started that thread. So I'm just going to take it easy, take it so far forward. You can see it going to work already there. I'll stick it so far in, and then I'll pull it back just to create a nice thread. As you can see, it's already started. Hopefully it does it and it doesn't start rounding off. Oh, it's going through it like butter, this. Like butter. Just take it off, get rid of the burrs. Right, so I've took it down as far as I think I need to. So I'll just get this off. As I said, I've just been going backwards and forwards with it as I've been going down, just to clean the thread pitch up as we go along. Take it off and see how far, if I need to go any further. Might be alright, that, to be fair. Yeah, that's how it's looking so far. Let's see. Will it go on? That's the question. Look at that there. Too good, mate. Too good, lads. This is why you should subscribe. Because I'm just too good. You know what I'm saying? Oh! Right, so it's on. And as you know, we've got a short shifter in this, so it makes shifts a bit better. But it's beauty this, because if I just stick it here like a driver's perspective, on wheel, off, rap, 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 rap. It's right there. It's literally, it's an underwear, and with that short shifter as well. Beast. I am a beast. I love this little tool, me. So yeah, that's literally how you get gear knobs like this on. If you can't find a solution, make the solution. And this little tool has come so handy so many times. So we've literally gone from this little thing that's looking worse for wear now, with Kim's rings and stuff. It's just gonna make the gear selection of hell of a lot better. I've just literally been moving this about for the last 5 minutes just to go through it. It's so smooth, it's made quite a big difference, to be fair. Just something like that, because you've just got a bit more of a grip to get the throw in. So yeah. Yeah, if you like this video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. Let me know what you think down below in the comments section. Sorry about having me up, I've just had ears lowered, so temperature's dropped and it's feeling a bit cold on old noggin. So yeah, cheers guys, thanks for watching. Remember, whatever you're doing today, make it different. See you later.